Poetry was important in China's past. It was something every literate person had to do and could do. And it was the glue that held society or literate society together. Writing poems is part of Chinese life. You can find lots of examples on the web where people join together to write poems in ancient style, in regulated verse, in modern style. There are more poems in Chinese history than any person can read in a lifetime, and more poets than I can enumerate. But when I think about it, poetry is not the daily activity of people here in the United States, even well-educated people. Why would I need a poem? When would I need a poem? When I feel sorry, when I feel regret, when I'm lonely, when I'm heartsick, when I long for someone, when I want to return home, I don't think of poems. This is what I think. Here in this country, I think we think of songs. And we use songs to find the emotion we think we're feeling at the moment. And they speak for us, and they speak to us, and we speak with them. There's a difference, however, in that for poets, every day you have to write a new poem. You can't simply recite the same old song, the one you like. Other people can do that. They can have poems that are favorites, but if you're writing poems, you always have to be creating a new one. Now, if songs are our poems, we'd agree that some are vulgar and some refined, some are cheap and easy, some are highbrow and deep. And the same thing is true for poems as well. So perhaps what we have to do on reading a poem from the Tang Dynasty, which poems we'll be concerned with mainly today, and the poems by two of the greatest poets, Du Fu and Li Bai. Maybe what we have to do is when we read a couplet to think of the appropriate song. So when Li Bai says in his poem To Someone Far Away, "When she was here, pretty darling, flowers filled the hall. Now she's gone, pretty darling, left her bed behind." Perhaps we should think of Bill Withers' song, "Ain't No Sunshine When She's Gone." Now I'm going to leave the rest of the analogies up to you. But lines from poems can be memorable. They can say, "I want you, I need you." Happy birthday, even. Do you love me? But again, remember, it's not enough just to sing the song. Every day you have to compose the poem. It's an ongoing social process. And